Hello mga mates, we have this problem. Simplify this expression. The square root of a radicand that is rational in form. The square of 9,999 plus 9,999 over 9,999. Now in our solution, we notice that in the numerator of the rational radicand, there's a common factor which is 9,999. So we take that out of the quantity. So 9,999 times the quantity, 9,999 plus 1. So we can cancel out 9,999 in the numerator and the 9,999 in the denominator. So what is left is the square root of 9,999 plus 1. And this 9,999 plus 1 becomes 10,000. We can write 10,000 as 10 raised to 4. So the square root of 10 raised to 4. Then this 10 raised to 4 can be written as 10 squared raised to 2. So we have now the square root of 10 squared raised to 2. So what is left is the base of the exponential form in the radicand, which is 10 squared, and 10 squared is equal to 100.